Hey guys, Micah here with Electrek, and today I'm reviewing the Priority Embark electric bicycle. Check it out. The Priority Embark is marketed as a maintenance-free e-bike, and the part selection on this bike is what makes that possible. While many other electric bicycles skimp on parts quality in order to bring the price down, the Priority Embark focused on combining the best parts possible while still keeping the price reasonable at $3,999, at least reasonable considering what you get with this bike. Now for starters, the motor is a Bosch Active Line combined with a Bosch PowerPack 400 battery. The motor gives you 4 different levels of assist up to 20 miles per hour and offers up to 50 miles of range in eco mode, or closer to 30 miles of range in turbo mode. I have to admit that I'm a bit lazy, so I spent most of my time riding around in turbo mode, where I could easily pedal right up to about 19 or 20 miles per hour without even breaking a sweat. The Priority Embark also features a Gates carbon belt drive, which is just a thing of beauty. It's super efficient and whisper quiet, meaning that all you hear is the wind around your helmet. You never have to worry about an oily chain either, and the belt never gets rusty or nasty looking. For shifting, the Embark has an Involio Nuvinci hub, which is a really impressive piece of engineering. It uses a continuously variable transmission to offer an infinite number of gear ratios within a 380% gear range, controlled by a simple twist shifter that should be familiar to any cyclist. You can shift while moving or at a standstill, you never have to tune your shifter, and the whole thing just works beautifully. The rest of the bike is equally as impressive. Integrated lights on the front and the rear run directly off the main battery, so you're never replacing coin cells or AAA batteries. The tubeless-ready tires are plush enough to absorb the road while still reducing rolling resistance, and the hydraulic disc brakes give you plenty of stopping power while remaining maintenance-free. And not only is the bike super easy to use without requiring any fiddling on your part, but you don't even have to assemble it yourself. While most of my bikes arrive in a box that require me to hopefully assemble it correctly, Priority is teamed up with VeloFix to offer white glove delivery service, where a VeloFix technician personally assembles and delivers your bike using their mobile bicycle shop service. That gives you added peace of mind that your bike is set up correctly and safely, especially since most of us know more about riding a bike than assembling and tuning one. All in all, the Priority Embark is a high-quality electric bicycle that combines a number of high-end components. Each of these parts are expensive on their own, and so the bike itself isn't cheap, but I still believe that at $3,999, it's actually a deal considering the level of parts they include on the bike. While it might not be the first bike that most millennials reach for, if you have the income for it and you value spending more time riding and less time tinkering with your bike, then the Priority Embark could be the bike for you. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you subscribe and keep checking back to see more electric vehicle videos right here on Electrek. See you next time guys.